Okay, so today we'll try to complete level 2, and this is part 1 because all labs can't be covered in this video. The whole video will be very large. So let's see. So this is the first lab. The This is level 2 first lab. Okay, so let's open our cloud console. Open the cloud cell and paste the basic command to start and verify it of your project ID or your account. So let's paste it and authorize it. So now clone the demo and you have to go to the directory, then set up the region and also the zone. Okay, so we have to set up the project Terraform. So let's paste it, and when it's asked for yes or no, you have to type yes. Okay, so let's paste next comment. Okay, so now we are going to configure the Terraform. Just make tf apply, hit enter, then when it's asked for yes or no, you have to, here this is the value, enter a value, you have to enter yes, then enter. Now you can see here is clearly written that this will take several minutes to deploy, so you have to wait. Okay, now this is going to creating the Terraform with the required configuration, so just wait, it will take few minutes. Then when it's completed, we will continue. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, let's continue. After 5 to 6 minutes, it's successfully deployed, you can see. So okay, so let's continue. Here we have to validate which we already deployed. Okay, so validate it. Okay, so let's check my progress. Okay, done. Then click this, paste it. So installing the hello server, paste this, then copy and validate all the pods are running or not. Okay, running. So let's check it. Okay, then we have to confirm that The hello service is okay. Okay, is it is responding. So click Control C to exit. Then second, okay. So let's stop it and exit. Control C. Okay, then copy. We have to restrict the access of network policy. Okay, then paste it. Okay, Control C to exit. Sorry, Control C to exit. Okay, then delete the network policy. Okay, and create the namespace version. Okay, now observe the logs. Okay, Control C. Then deploy the second copy of Hello Client app. We have already deployed the first copy and then second copy. Then check my progress. Okay, it will take few minutes to update. Okay, so sorry. Okay, done. There are no any grades. So end the lab and submit it. So we have done our first lab. Okay, so let's start our second lab. Okay, start lab and close the previous because we have done that lab. Okay, log in again. Accept the terms and condition. Okay, and as usual you have to authorize the cloud shell by Google Cloud authorization. Okay, open the cloud shell. Okay, let's check video is recording. Yeah, okay. Authorize your account. Copy this and paste this. Clone all the vulnerability. So deploy web application. Click authorize if there prompt. Okay, there is no prompt. So I choose US Central 1. Okay, 17 number US Central 1. Enter. You can choose. If you choose US Central 1, it's pretty fast. It is depending upon where you live. The nearest region, if you choose, it will be fast when it will getting deployed. So you have to when it's asked yes or no, you have to choose yes, because neither if you choose no, it will not be deployed. Okay, okay, it is working. It can take 1 or 2 or maybe 3 minutes. So let's pause the video. When it will be done, we will continue. Okay, it's done. Then run the following command, because I want to view the web application. Okay, this is the link. Just click here and it will open. Okay, great. So then validate it, deploy the web application. We have successfully did all the thing. Then you have to go the app engine, then security scan. Okay, then go to app engine. Okay, just drop down it. Okay, here you can see security scan. Just click here, then go to new scan. Then you have to put that URL recently you viewed from. This is the URL. Okay, you can see. Okay, here is automatically added. Is your dot. If there is if this thing's empty, just paste this same URL. This is the URL. Okay, this is the URL. Just copy it and paste here. Then there is nothing to do, just save and run it. Okay, just save it. Now click on run. Now this is the time consuming process, because it can take 15 or 16. Okay, here written 15 to 20 minutes, but sometime it can take 26 minutes or 25 minutes approximately. Okay, depending upon the region which you have selected, because if the server of the region, if it's busy, then it will take time. Okay, so you can see waiting in queue, it will take a big time. We have to wait approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so wait, just then we will continue. I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so now after 17 minutes, approximately 18 minutes later, okay, uh, it's done. Okay, let's check my progress. Okay, done. Then copy this, resolve the finding and paste this. Then you have, there are false, you have to replace with true. Okay, so just copy the true, and here you have to press I button. I, just I, then go to that line. Here is, you can see that line number 2, you have to replace with true. Okay, here is auto escape, auto escape true. Okay, then you have to press escape key and enter this command. Okay, press escape, then paste that command and enter. WQ and this. Okay, done. Then copy this and paste it. Then when it prompted enter y. Okay, y. Okay, so wait just some time. You have to wait till it's finished. Okay, when it will finish, then you have to do the next process, because you have to create this scan, and you have to check the security scan. Okay, so after completing the security scan, when here will be a processing in like percentage, 17%, 18%. When it will get done, the interface would like this, and this here will be the total duration, how many time it's take. Okay, so few minutes it can take, just few minutes. You have to wait, then after that you have to click check my progress. Okay, now you can see done. Just I am going to checking my progress. Okay, congratulations. So we have done our work. Just end the lab. Here is 5 star. Your experience you can give anyone. Okay, so here you can see right tick mark. So here is the third lab, VPC network pairing. So let's close the previous one, leave it, and then start another one. Okay, recording is in progress. Okay, just copy the password and go to incognito mode, then then next, then paste your password, then accept it. This is the lab name is VPC network pairing. Go to your cloud cell, and authorize with the Google Cloud authorization in G-Cloud Auth. This is the command. Okay, got it. Paste and authorize it. Okay, then we have opened our first cloud cell. Here you have to click another. Okay, another cloud cell by clicking this plus and paste and replace with your project id 2, which is given by in this. Here you can see Google project id 2. Just paste it and enter. Go back to your first cloud cell, then this is project A. Just copy paste the command. We are going to create our custom network. Okay, so wait till it gets succeeded. Copy and create the VM instance. Okay, so create our VM instance. So now we are going to enabling our SSH. just follow the instruction. Okay, so I am going to create the firewall. They want that the firewall configuration should be TCP, and this is the 22 number, and other protocol should be ICMP. Okay, so it okay, done. Then go to your second cloud shell and paste. Here you can see switch to the second cloud shell and create custom network. After that you have to paste it. Okay, wait, I have a phone call. Okay, so we have pasted that. Now we are going to create the VM instance same as previous. Okay, then we have to create our firewall for project B, because we have to pair with A and B, this project A with project B, and also project B to project A. Okay, we have to map them. After getting the output, we are going to create our firewall for project ID number 2. Okay, just paste it. We are going to creating the firewall. Then we are going to create a custom network in project B, and we are going to check our progress when it will get done. Okay, done. Just click create my progress. Okay. Okay, now you have to go VPC network. Okay, VPC network. In the left panel of the navigation bar, you can see there will be clearly written VPC network pairing. Okay, here you can see VPC network pairing. You have to click that and go to create connection and continue. What should be the name? The name should be, here you can see PRAB. Okay, we are going to pairing the AB. Then choose network A and choose in another project, and project ID should be the second project. Copy the second project. Okay, and what should be the VPC network name? The VPC network name should be network B, because we are going to pair with A with B. Okay, then you have to click create button. Okay, done. Now just okay, done. Then you have to switch the second project, because from the second ID we will going to pair with the first ID. Okay, so just copy the name, and here you have to select go to all. This is our second project ID. You can ensure that this is the 01164. Okay, so let's check 01164. This is our second project ID. Just click it and go to create connection, continue. PRBA, VPC network should be network B, and in another project ID should be the project ID number 1, because from 2 to we will going to pair with 1, and network name should be, what should be the network name? For first case we going to pair with network A to B. In this case we are going to pair with B to A. Then go click create. After that just copy this command and just refresh it. Okay, done. And paste this, and here you can see first project ID. Just copy this and paste this here. Okay, you can see these types of output occurs. So let's check. Okay, done. Okay, congratulations, you have done the lab. So going to end the lab, submit, going to 5 star, check back. Okay, now what should we do? Create an internet load balancer. Okay, okay, okay. This is our lab. Okay, I'm going to check. This is a long lab. Okay, just destroy the previous one. What should the time? Chap is 26 minutes. Okay, so let's in part 1 we'll perform 4 labs. In part 2 we'll perform another 4. Okay, it's very easy. If you follow the instruction step by step, you can do it. Okay, so the lab is provisioning less than 1 minute, so wait some time. So we're going to configure the HTTP and health check with firewall. At first, copy the password and open with in incognito mode and paste this here. Accept the terms and condition. Okay, in VPC network, go to firewall. After allowing all things, okay, so you have to continue here, agree and continue. Click VPC, just copy and go to VPC network. Here you can see firewall. Click create firewall rule and paste the name. Here you can see in firewall, the firewall name should be app allow HTTP. Network should be my internal app, and the target tags should be IB backend. Sorry, yeah, okay. Copy this IPv4 ranges. Okay, speedway TCP 80. Type 80 TCP 80 and just go to create button. You have to create another one. Just paste this. Network should be, there are no network specified. Default target tags should be backend. Ranges here, just copy the first one and paste here, then copy another one and paste here. Okay, here you can see only you have to check the TCP and create. Okay, after that, after the creation, it will take time. Okay, we have done. Now we have to create the instance template. Got it. Where you can get, just go to compute engine instance templates. This should be the name. Here is create instance template. I think this is the same name. Okay, but okay, leave it. the series should be N1 first generation. Okay, go to management, where you have to choose this network disk, then go to management, then click add item, then the paste the key and paste copy this value and paste here. Okay, then you have to go network tab, the network tag should, sorry, networking tab, network tag should be this IP backend. The backend network should be my internal app, sub network should be subnet A. Here you can see written subnet A my internal app, then click create my internal app subnet A. You have to click this create. Okay, then you have to do the same. Okay, let's this hide information panel, then just open it and click this create similar, and name should be this instance template 2 automatically, because this is the default name. If you don't give any name, this will be the default. Just go to networking tab and change the network subnet with subnet B. This is network and here is my internal app, just subnet B, done it, and they have detail that you have to create that one also. Then you have to create the instance group, where you can see, just scroll down here, you can see instance group, create instance group. Okay, then you can see here this is the same name, so no problem, and choose single zone US central 1, single zone US central 1 A, template US central, this template should be 1. Okay, so this should be 80 and this should be 45, and the maximum should be 5. Okay, let's check 80 45 15, then click create. Okay, I'm going to create this, then okay, yes, in this we have to create another one, create instance group again, just paste group 2, choose, okay, wait, central 1 central B, I think they told central B, single zone, and wait, refresh this. Okay, now you can see, just refresh if you don't see anything. You have to template 2 and zone will be B. Okay, this is zone B central 1, same CPU utilization should be 80, then done, cooldown period 45, maximum number of instance 5. Okay, then check. Okay, no problem, just create that one. Go to compute engine, then VM instance, it will take time to update. Okay, go to create instance and paste with utility VM US central 1 F n1 f1 macro, n1 f1 macro, then go to the network disk properties, go to network, then you have to choose this drop down, default networks, my internal app, subnet A, this should be custom, and this should be the custom IP, a formal IP. Okay, then done and click create, done and click create. Okay, so let's check my progress. Okay, so are there any another thing? Yes, you have to go load balancer, just refresh and it will be green tick. Okay, okay, load balancer, the name should be MYILB. Okay, this should be TCP load balancing. Okay, and internal facing only between my VM container, and name should be MYLIB ILB, sorry, region should be US Central 1. Okay, US Central 1, network should be my internal lab. Okay, so click on backend, add, click on backend and add instance group 1, then click add backend, instance group for you have to choose instance group. Wait, done, just refresh it because the instance group, I think it is loading, not updating. Wait, so just click the names again, to the name, region should be US Central 1, network say my internal app. Here you can see, just refresh if it problem occurs, instance group 1, then done, then add, then go, then 2, then done. Okay, okay, now okay, go to create health check TCP 80, go to health check, create a health check, name should be this TCP 80, just save this, just save and done, then go to front end. Okay, in for front end, sub network should be subnet B. Okay, and internal IP, IP create IP address, so this is the name and this is the custom IP, go there and click let me choose, copy this, paste this, reserve this, and click reserve and for type 80. Okay, port number should be 80, then click done, review that all things are okay, then go to create button and click this, you can see this types of thing will be for in your case also, and this will be ticked when it will get done. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Wait for load balancer. Okay, wait. So no, there is no another work. This is our last work. Okay, you can see all things are done. Green mark. So let's, okay, you can see this green tick. Go to end the lab and submit this. So let's check all things are okay or not. Okay, you can see. So in part 1 we uploading 4 labs. In part 2 we will upload another 4. Okay, thanks for watching. So let's destroy the previous one. Thanks for watching.